Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to double your cookies rewards while playing the Butterbear board game in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia is running a new collaborations event with the Butterbear. And in this event, we get a special Butterbear board game that works like a Monopoly and use a dice roll system. And as you play, you will earn cookies that can be exchanged for exclusive items in this exchange store like this. But did you know that you can actually double the cookies rewards that you get from the board game? To do that, you need to use the double cookies buff before rolling dice. This buff, this buff. So make sure you have this buff before rolling the dice. And if you don't know how to get the double cookies buff or for free, just check out the tutorial link in the descriptions below. And now let me show you how it works. First, just tap on the double cookies buff icon, this icon, to activate it. Just tap on it like this. And then after that, just simply tap on use. And once the buff is active, it will automatically roll your dice and the Butterbear will move across the board according the number you roll. And while the buff is active, the cookies rewards earned from Butterbear movement will be doubled. It will giving you twice as many cookies as usual. In here, I got 6 cookies. And okay, that's how you can easily maximize your cookies earning in the Butterbear board game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!